Welcome to episode 6 of LabSuit How-To series. Today's topic is how to update existing LabSuit inventory via spreadsheet file. If you are building your inventory from scratch, please refer to the very first episode explaining how to import your Excel inventory for the first time, because this tutorial assumes you already have some items in your inventory. The typical use case for updating inventory via spreadsheet file is when lab members decided to reorganize their inventory. For example, items are being moved from one lab room to another lab room, or updating inventory that wasn't maintained for a long time, or maybe bringing items from another management system. Let's say my lab just bought a new fridge and I want to move all of my chemicals to that new location. How do I do it? Okay, here we go. Chemicals is only one of the many types that I have in my inventory. To make my task as simple as possible, I filter out anything but chemicals. When I export my inventory with the type filter applied, the resulting Excel would include only the desired items. I click Export and patiently wait for Excel file to be generated. Let's open the file and see what's inside. My goal is to update the location of all chemicals at once from whatever value it is now to new fridge. Important to say that any field can be updated through Excel file in the same way. Let's give special attention to delete and serial number columns. In case I want to delete the item, I put a Y into delete column. Otherwise, I just ignore it. Serial number. This field cannot be updated or changed by lab members. It is generated by LabSuit and is used to internally look up the item and update it if required. That means that LabSuit searches for an item not by name but by serial number. Therefore, when updating existing inventory items, make sure you don't change their serial numbers and it stays untouched. Also, please don't confuse LabSuit serial numbers with conceptual serial numbers your lab might have. I can also add new items via the same Excel interface. Let's imagine I just received a brand new box of sodium acetate. I want to take advantage of editing my inventory right now and list sodium acetate too. Since this is a brand new item in my stock, it doesn't have a LabSuit generated serial number yet. I put sodium acetate on list and leave serial number column empty. This way LabSuit knows how to create a new item, even there might be another item with the same name. I'm saving my work and clicking import. Selecting the file, and here it goes. Now LabSuit team is doing magic with my Excel file. I'm skipping this partially manual work done by LabSuit team. And let's see what we have now. I once again select chemicals and I see that location field is really set to new freezer. In addition, sodium acetate is there too, and it has brand new serial number generated by LabSuit. Please leave your questions just below that video. Stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss next How To series episodes.